Air impact wrenches come in many forms, so beware when looking for a one-size-fits-all option. If you are looking for one, then these are the best in the business. The Bosch IWH181-01 impact wrench offers the most compact design for increased maneuverability in tight spaces and extended comfort. Electric cell protection is used to ensure the optimal battery life and performance. The flat anvil design enables easier changing of sockets. The wrenches provide 1,500 inches per pound of max torque, fast tightening removing of heavy-duty fasteners. Soft grip wrapped housing fits comfortably in hand, which gives extended working time. LED light is also provided to use the wrench in dark areas. All new Ingersoll Rand 2235 Ti Max impact wrench delivers up to 1,350 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. Compact and lightweight design weighs only 4.6 pounds and keeps fatigue to a minimum. The 4-position power regulator lets you easily adjust torque output on the fly. The twin hammer mechanism is used to deliver the maximum power and longevity. Ingersoll Rand reliability coupled with a titanium hammer case and steel wear plates gives an exceptional durability. This wrench has the best power to weight ratio of any impact wrench on the market. And the NitroCat 1200K is a no-nonsense, hard-hitting, half-inch impact wrench that outperforms anything in its class. Durable Kevlar composite housing with ergonomically designed handle is used in order to reduce the operator fatigue. Patented quiet technology enables only 86 decibels. Kevlar adds high strength and durability to the 1200K, making this tool a valuable addition to your air tool workforce. Hard-hitting, smooth twin clutch mechanism is used because the twin clutch is better suited for heavy duty. Patented easy operation flip lever forward and reverse. To show us that you liked the video, hit the like button. Subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications on all our new videos. Use the comment section to let us know what you think of our work.